In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize an image carousel on Google Sites. This feature is particularly useful when you want to showcase multiple images in a dynamic and interactive way on your site. Whether you're building a portfolio, sharing event photos, or enhancing your business website, the image carousel is a sleek addition. So let's dive in and explore this together. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google Sites and have the page open where you want to add the image carousel. Let's begin by clicking on the section of your web page where you want the carousel to appear. Now you'll need to look for the image carousel option. You should find this by navigating to the toolbar, usually positioned at the right of your screen. Click on image carousel to start setting it up. Once you've done that, you'll notice a pop-up or a new section on your screen, which includes a small plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon allows you to upload images to your carousel. Don't hesitate to get creative here. You can choose to use images stored directly on your device, or if you use Google Drive, you can opt for images saved there. After you've clicked the plus icon, select the images you wish to display, and take your time to ensure these images best fit the narrative of your site. With your images chosen, next up is customizing how they will appear. Look for the settings icon, often represented by a small gear symbol. By clicking on it, you open up various customization options. Don't worry, you won't need to change every setting here, but there is one important feature to focus on, the auto start option. By enabling this, you ensure that your carousel begins sliding through images automatically. This provides a seamless experience for viewers the moment they land on your page. Now, with your images uploaded and settings adjusted, it's time to finalize your changes. Do a quick review to make sure all the images appear correctly, and you're satisfied with how they transition. When you're ready, find the Insert button. By clicking this, you officially embed the carousel onto your Google site. Take a moment to see how it looks in the context of your entire page. And there you have it. You've successfully created an image carousel on Google Sites. Before you finish, it's always a smart move to preview your site and see how everything looks from a viewer's perspective. This helps ensure your carousel enhances the page without overwhelming it. If all looks good, don't forget to hit publish to save your changes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore Google Sites further to find even more ways to make your web pages compelling and visually appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might also benefit. Happy designing!